Afghanistan are playing good cricket, and I think they are playing good cricket for the last 3-4 years. But I'm very surprised, and I'm very happy the way Scotland has come through after qualifying for the World Cup. They did qualify a very in a very tough condition in New Zealand and Australia, and then after that they're a changed team. They've got good mixture of new cricketers and some experienced ones as well. But the way they are playing and the way they played against Afghanistan, because I always thought that it will be very difficult for Afghanistan to beat Scotland in Scotland, but it will be very difficult for Scotland to beat Afghanistan in UAE or Asia. But when they came to UAE and played these last two games against Afghanistan, they proved that they're a changed side, and they are very good and they're up for it. Recent performance in World Cup, in the preparation matches and a few other matches, they have been brilliant. So I personally think that I will edge Scotland a bit more because they are quite used to playing seaming and swinging conditions. Bounce will be a bit problem for both the teams, but at least they could manage swing and seam. I personally think that it will be a very good match. Afghanistan always play with passion. They've got good fast bowlers, but the advantage they used to have against Scotland in spin department, I think that won't be there for offer, and that will give Scotland a bit of edge as well.